This is the control panel or operation panel of D125. So if my original is one side, and then I want it to make it one side, all you need to do is to have 1:1. And if you want to make it back to back, then this is the original 1:2. Okay, or 1:1, one side with staple. You can have staple too. Okay, and so collate. Okay, if you want the front page and the page 1 and the sheet number 1 and sheet number 2, you can have uncollate. Okay, save. These are my original 3 sheets with already back to back. So if I will photocopy, I will just 2 and staple and collate. If you want the sheet number 1, sheet number 2 and 3, you can have uncollate. But you want 1, 2 and 3, save. Okay, then you have number of copies. So if your original is already back to back, then you want only the page 1. So your command is one-sided. So means to say it will photocopy only the page 1 or the front page. Okay, then you have staple and so on and so forth, the number of copies. This is the operation panel of Canon VarioPrint 115. We'll do a photocopy. This is the copy job, and my original are already back to back. So what's good with this is auto detected. Okay, so already detected as two-sided, and you have the binding. Okay, and I call this one the stock if you want to collate and uncollate. And what if you will do a photocopy only with the front page? So that's a big difference. Okay, so already back to back and only the front page. So what you're going to do, it's already detected as two-sided. You need to change this into one-sided and one-sided input, and you have the output. So that's a big difference in the D125. Okay, binding stacker if you want collate and uncollate. Okay, by set or by page. Okay, so cancel. So if you want basic operation, you can use the easy job. No fold. Already back to back, but I want only the page 1. So I want only the front page. So when this is the you see, auto detected 2. So you need to select one-sided and one-sided, and you have the binding. Okay, staple and number of copies. Okay, number of copies. So there's a big difference in Xerox D125 with you need to input the original and you need to put the output. So that's a little bit additional one command. Okay,